Uses of drones-Unmanned aerial vehicles. Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the incredible world of drones and exploring the diverse and exciting uses of unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs. Drones have become increasingly popular due to their versatility and wide range of applications. Let's take a closer look at some of the remarkable ways drones are being used today. One of the most well-known uses of drones is in aerial photography and videography. With their onboard cameras, drones can capture breathtaking aerial shots and videos for various purposes such as filmmaking, real estate, events, and marketing. Drones are also revolutionizing the way we survey and map our world. Equipped with advanced sensors and mapping software, they can rapidly survey large areas, create detailed 3D models, and assist in urban planning, construction, and environmental assessments. In the agricultural sector, drones are playing a crucial role. They can monitor crop health, detect irrigation issues, and identify pest infestations through multispectral and thermal cameras. This allows farmers to optimize their crop yield and reduce resource usage through precision agriculture. When it comes to emergency situations, drones are proving to be invaluable tools. Equipped with thermal cameras and GPS systems, they can quickly cover large areas, assist in search and rescue operations, and provide real-time situational awareness to rescue teams. Drones are also taking on the task of inspecting critical infrastructure. With their ability to access hard-to-reach areas like bridges, power lines, and pipelines, they can help identify structural issues, reduce inspection costs, and improve worker safety. Environmental monitoring is another significant application of drones. They can aid in wildlife conservation efforts, conduct environmental surveys, and track changes in ecosystems, providing valuable data to researchers and organizations dedicated to protecting our planet. The future of delivery is taking flight with drones. Companies are exploring the use of drones for package delivery, potentially reducing delivery times, easing traffic congestion, and opening up new possibilities in the logistics industry. These are just a glimpse of the countless ways drones are being utilized across various industries. From photography and agriculture to search and rescue operations, infrastructure inspections, and environmental monitoring, drones are transforming the way we work, explore, and innovate. That's all for today's video. If you found this exploration of drone applications fascinating, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more captivating tech content. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next adventure in the world of technology.